If you're going to be raising chicks or other small animals, having a setup like this makes it so much easier to keep them warm, safe, and cared for right from the start.
This raised wooden brooder is designed to comfortably hold around 12 to 15 chicks while keeping everything contained in one space. There's plenty of room inside for them to move around, plus space for food, water, and bedding to keep everything clean and organized. When it came to assembly, it has fully pre-drilled panels and all the hardware that you need. So putting it together was super straightforward. It only took my husband a matter of maybe 30 to 45 minutes at a very relaxed pace from laying everything out to having it fully set up and chick ready. The included heat lamps power on easily and give a consistent heat source to keep the environment warm. You can monitor and adjust the temperature to create a comfortable space for your chicks as they grow. And there's built-in airflow slots for ventilation. And then the clear front panel makes it easy to check on them without having to open anything up. The design also makes it super simple to clean with accessible panels and materials that hold up well to daily use.
If you want something that's going to keep your chicks warm, contained, and easy to manage, this setup makes the whole process feel a lot more manageable.